Hi, and welcome to part 12 and a half plus plus of the videos I've been doing on memory lane. This is another car dump, old car dump, rather. It's all old cars. None of them are new. They're all old. Anyway, the last video I did, of course, was a house video. The one before that was another car dump. It was all old cars. I'm dumping out quite a few videos, to try to free up some space on my phone. Anyway, also, my phone, it's been overheating. I explained that, in another video. I'm here in the Shenandoah National Park. It's about 6:30. I want to wrap this up pretty quickly. I need to find a bathroom as well. But I just want to wrap this up. Right now, I'm sitting here waiting for my phone to charge again. I've been having problems with it all day charging. I was trying to upload a YouTube video, and I don't know if that had something to do with it or not. But anyway, was doing pretty well, and then all of a sudden it kind of dropped, started overheating, and now I'm having some issues. Anyway, so I'm just waiting right now, for it to maybe, charge a little more. I'm here at an overlook. I haven't gotten out and taken pictures yet, but I'm going, as soon as I pull this video together, I will. I'm going to take a few photos and a little bit of video. My phone finally cooled down enough for me to take a little video. Very annoying, very frustrating. This same thing was happening the day that I ran my car into a ditch, and I definitely don't want to do that again. Anyway, put an ouchie on my car. Anyway, this is part 12 and a half plus plus of old car dump, 12 and a half plus plus of memories and old car dump. Anyway, so like I said, I'm sitting here. I'm going to do the video and try to hopefully get my phone charged up just a bit. This particular area is a little bit cooler. It's quite a bit cooler, as a matter of fact. The area that I was sitting in before was pretty hot, and that didn't help my phone. But I got good reception, and I thought that I would be able to get my video on YouTube uploaded, but it just wouldn't. It's been trying to upload for like 8 hours, and I meant to delete it a lot quicker. This is my third go around at trying to upload a YouTube video. It's only like 22 minutes and 8 hours. That's ridiculous. Anyway, this is, like I said, the third go around at trying to get it uploaded, and I can't get it uploaded, and I was going to delete it, but I kind of forgot about it. So anyway, I went to delete it, but now I have no service at all. So anyway, here I am. I'm at the overlook. I'm going to relax, pull another video together, and then be on my way. So let's get to it. This first video is of an old pink car in Pensacola, Florida. This second video is of an old fire truck. I don't know where I photographed that. If I'm not mistaken, I photographed it in Green Creek, North Carolina. This next set of videos is all kinds of cars, all old. There are some old trucks in there. There are some old cars I photographed in Tennessee. I'm not sure where. It's like right on the tip of my tongue or my brain, but I can't think of it right now. As I said before, I photograph old cars and trucks and houses and everything everywhere. Georgia, South Carolina, Virginia, Kentucky, North Carolina, Tennessee, wherever I go. I photographed them a few years ago when I went to Michigan. I mean, not Michigan, New York. I go to Michigan almost every year, but I haven't been in a couple of years. There are a few reasons for that. But anyway, this is just a bunch of different old cars that I have found in different places, either sitting on lots, sitting on the side of the road. Some of them are in people's yards. I've stopped. Some people are like, fine. They are like cool with me photographing them. I found a lot of old cars everywhere. Here is the next set of old cars and old trucks. Some are, well, I didn't say it before, but some are restored, some aren't. All are old, all are vintage, all antique, all classic. Hi, this concludes part 12 and a half plus plus of memories and car dump, or rather old car dump. Anyway, like I said before, I'm just sitting here. I'm in the Shenandoah National Park. This is my second or third big video or big house car dump. This video, of course, as you could see, was all old cars. First one was old cars, second one was house, third one is old cars. One of my next ones on memories are going to probably be Death Valley National Park. Let me rephrase. I was going to say another house dump, another car dump, but I'm just about up with the cars now. I've pretty much gotten rid of most of them. So the next one will probably be Death Valley National Park. My next video probably won't be Death Valley National Park. It'll probably be Shenandoah National Park. But at some point I will get back and do the Death Valley, but that's all old. I took it a long time ago. It's not as good. It's not as interesting as now because I'm doing a lot more live. I'm doing live video. I didn't do that. In fact, I looked on YouTube the other day and I noticed that I've been on YouTube for 5 months and I've only done like, only been at this for about 5 months. And, and like I said early on, I don't know how good I am, probably not that great. There's still a lot of stuff I need to do, a lot of improvements. I've done what I can. I've found different apps that I like as far as recording. I like no app better than my phone app for nature and that kind of video, but for the front-facing camera apps, like the one I'm using now, Beauty Cam and Camera 365, Bloom app, if it's not, but it's pretty buggy now that they did an update, but they do very well for the front-facing video. Anyway, I'm going to conclude this video now. I'm kind of having to go to the bathroom. I want to get out here, do a little bit of take some pictures, do some video here at this overlook, and then I'm going to pull this second car dump together, and that's going to get rid of a lot of stuff. I can't get on YouTube to delete the upload of the other video. I do believe it's sucking up my battery. Anyway, it's already 6:30, so I don't have a lot of time left. Seems I didn't do that much today. I explored a lot when I first got on in the park, but now I'm not even to US Highway 33 yet, and I should be to US Highway 33 already. Generally, I don't know what is past US Highway 33 exit. I don't know how much farther I'll have to go past there to find an exit. So I will probably just just take it slow now, do my video, do my I don't know how many miles I've driven, but anyway, do my video of whatever I'm going to photograph and videotape, whatever video, and just before I get to exit 33, because like I said, I don't know how much farther I'll have to drive past exit 33 to find another exit. The Shenandoah National Park does not have the crossroads that the Blue Ridge Parkway does. Not that I ever wanted to use the crossroads on the parkway because I didn't know where they went. Anyway, it's usual. Now, last night was only 9 miles from Luray, Virginia. So that was great. That was great. I don't know how far I have went today. I still got a little ways to go. Don't know how. I probably only went about 25 miles, but it's a 7-day pass and it's 100 miles. So, if I do 25 miles a day, I'm going to finish up the park in like 4 days. So anyway, this concludes part 12 and a half plus plus of memories, car dump number 2. I hope everyone has a good week, good month. God bless. Peace.